Honor will introduce its new 600 series with Pro model. Focusing on some of the phone key specifications. Smartphone will be AMOLED touchscreen display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Smartphone will be packed with Snapdragon 8 Elite new version chipset with a powerful octa-core CPU. RAM will be 12 and 16 GB and internal memory will be 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. The real deal of the Honor 600 Pro will be the 200 megapixel main camera, and you will get a periscope telephoto lens, and front camera will be 50 megapixel. There will be under display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Phone will run on Android operating system. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.